Hi guys, welcome to week 1. Okay, so I'm going to do a quick video to explain what you need to do in this folder. So here's your screen. I'm still being told that these are not, these buttons are not showing up. I will work on those if they're not showing up. But at this point, they are all buttons that will link you to something. Oh, before I get started on that, if you are emailing me, which is fine, if you are emailing me, I need for you to put your first and last name along with what class you are in. So you would need to write like John Smith, Algebra Geometry 3, 3rd hour or 7th hour, so that I know specifically what you're emailing about. I fixed this link. This is now going to the Google Doc that has the name of the people in your group along with the link to your Google Meet that will happen on Mondays or Tuesdays, depending on when that invite was sent to you. Okay. In here, back to school video, hopefully you have done that, watched that, parent or guardian has watched that, and then the parent or guardian has filled out the Google form at the end. Block schedule, here is your schedule. I just uploaded my schedule, so it has my classes on it, what times I'm teaching my classes, but the hours and the times are the same for you. I would prefer that you guys start using this discussion board for when you have questions. That way Ms. Carter or myself can answer those questions, or your classmates can answer those questions. So I have 150 students. Let's say you have a question one day. 75 other students may have a question that day. So if I'm getting that many emails, 75 emails or more or less in a day, it is very easy for those emails to get lost and I don't answer them. So please, 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 on general questions, put them in the discussion board. Myself, Ms. Carter, or classmates will answer. If they are more specific to you, go ahead and email them. This red folder is what was assigned to you yesterday on Tuesday. So please make sure you have completed that folder. And hopefully it's done by today, right? So today's Wednesday. So new folders open up Wednesdays, and you have until Wednesday to complete this folder. So all these assignments have a due date of next Wednesday, the 16th on them. So you are going to click on the folder. This video that I'm currently taking will be the very first thing that I'm going to put right here. So you will see that when you open this folder. It'll tell you what you need to do. Then you go to this page. I'll put a page at the beginning of every folder to tell you what to do. I'm going to kind of go over that in this video also. Okay, so there's 3 things. First thing, you need to click on this folder. In this folder, there are 7 things for you to do. So these 7 things kind of explain all the features that Schoology has and how I could assess you in Schoology with a text, with an audio recording, video recording, assignment, text or test quiz, and assessment or discussion board. So a lot of you have been using Schoology, so you're probably very good with this, so it shouldn't take you that long. Others of you may not have used Schoology that much, so that may take you a little bit longer. Make sure again to do all parts of all like 1.0, 1.1, and so on and so forth. Next, we're going to be using Jamboard in this class on our small discussion days. So I want you to watch this video. I believe it's about 5 minutes, and it just kind of shows you what Jamboard is and different things that you can do in Jamboard. Please make sure that this is watched by the time you have your small group meeting on Monday next week, okay? The third thing that I need for you to do is this algebra review. So complete that for points. So those are the 3 things that you have along with your small group meeting. I have LGO 3 on 3rd and 7th hour, so those will both be on Monday. And you should have gotten that Google invite to those meetings. Those are reoccurring meetings, so you always use the same invite to click on those meetings and to get into those meetings. If you have questions, let me know. Remember, you can email me, but I would prefer the discussion board. And I think that's all. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.